Good afternoon, students. Welcome to week 3 of your nursing capstone course. As we move into week 3, I want to congratulate you on the good job that you've done in identifying your project, connecting with your project liaison, working on that paperwork that needs to be done between NCU and your agency or organization where you're going to work. There's been a lot of good progress made for many of you in that area. So thanks for your good work, hard work, diligence, and attention to getting that done. There's some really great projects that you've chosen. So congratulations on that also. As we move into week 3, you're going to have a paper due. This is your population, project liaison, and project paper. And this is an important paper for you to really think about and to be clear about as you're working through the questions on the assignment. This paper is going to be a blueprint, framework for your project, and it's going to give you an opportunity to lay out exactly what you're going to do, to clearly discuss what your health problem is, to clearly discuss your target population, to clearly think about the purpose of your project, what it is you want to accomplish, what do you want to deliver at the end of this project. So all important things to think about, maybe some barriers and challenges that you might encounter, some costs that you might encounter. So it's good to lay out those things and to think about those things at the beginning of your project so you don't get caught by surprise midway through. So that's the purpose of this paper, is for you to lay out your project, to really think about it, to be clear, focused, so that you can move forward efficiently. The other thing that's important about this paper is it gives you opportunity to provide contact information that I can use to contact your project liaisons, which you know I'll be doing throughout the semester, at least a couple, maybe 3 times, depending. So I really need some good contact information, email, phone, etc. Titles, their role, their function within the organization is helpful to me. And also what I learned from last term is that I needed a way to contact you, because sometimes I need to call you on the phone or those sorts of things to get a hold of you. So I would appreciate it if you'd include your contact information too. One question on your project population, project liaison paper that you're going to be addressing is nursing theory. So I'd like you to pick a nursing theory that you think is the best fit for your project. Remember, we've talked about frameworks and how we use theories to guide research and to frame our projects, our research studies, and they provide a way for us to interpret what we're doing, what we're thinking about, and what we find. And as a reminder, your master's textbook, chapter 2, has a real good section on nursing theories. You can Google nursing theories. There's all kinds of really excellent websites that come up. So I just wanted to remind you that we have studied those, and hopefully you have a favorite theory, and it'll be one that's appropriate for your project to frame that. This is an APA paper, formatted paper, so I'll expect a title page, and if you use references in your paper, be sure to cite them appropriately and to include a reference page. So follow the ground rules for APA. I've got some APA documents, of course, posted on the website for you. So take a look at those. If you're struggling or if you have a question, don't hesitate to email me. I'm happy to help you in that regard also. So I say this because I want you to write a formal paper versus just bullet points or going question 1 and providing a response, question 2 providing a response. So an APA formal paper like you would your normal regular papers. And let me see, what else do I want to tell you today? I'd like to schedule the Big Blue Button discussions at a time that works with your schedules. It's real easy for me to arbitrarily pick a time that works for me, but it's no fun to be in those live chats by yourself. So I posted a place in week 3 where you can vote or somehow communicate to me a time that you would that would be preferable for you to join those live chats. So it's a short answer question where you can go in and write down 2 or 3 times, days of the week that you might be available for a chat. And I will look at those and I'll pick the time that meets most of our schedules and let you know about that, because we have a chat coming up here pretty soon. So that's what that is all about. And I just added that recently. So if you haven't been on the website, you'll notice it in week 3. And finally, I'm going to be out of town starting next week, Wednesday, for a few days, and I'll have limited internet access, so be patient if you don't get an immediate reply to your emails or you're trying to get in touch with me. So just wanted you to be aware of that. Okay, that's all I have for you. Keep up the good work, and don't hesitate to call me if something comes up. Have a good day.